Presenting the JBL Tune 215BT in-ear wireless headphones. It comes with built-in mic for hands-free calling. The headphone delivers up to 16 hours of playtime on a single charge. It also comes with quick charging, where 10 minutes of charge provides up to 1 hour of playtime and overall charging takes less than 2 hours. This JBL Tune wireless headphones feature ergonomically designed earbuds for all-day comfort. It also comes with a durable tangle-free flat cable that makes it easy to wear and carry. The headphone comes with 12.5mm dynamic drivers that deliver deep and powerful sound. You can enjoy balanced sound without artificially enhanced bass for an undistorted audio experience. It comes with Bluetooth connectivity and also has multi-point connectivity that allows you to connect to more than 2 devices at the same time. The headphones come with a 3-button remote on the cable that lets you control music and calls and access your device's voice assistant. The JBL headphone is available in black, blue, green, white, gold and purple colors. Inside the box you will find headphones, charging cable, warranty card, warning card, safety sheet and quick start guide sheet. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.